Welcome back, my beautiful people. Welcome back. And today in the kitchen, I make some saltfish and butter bean. You know what I mean? You have some butter bean here, so. We have some ground provision. We have some green banana, sweet potato. You know what I mean? Cook some dumpling too. Yeah, man. So stick and stay and watch how I go on. Alright, so we have a season slice up and dice up and we're adding everything and fry up. Yeah, man. Okay guys, we are adding half a teaspoon of black pepper. So black pepper not too good for man. Yeah, we are stirring that. Yeah, man. Adding some Maggi fish season. Yeah, get a nice flavor, Maggi fish season get a nice flavor. When you cook saltfish, yeah man, perfect. Okay guys, here I add some chicken season. This optional still, but yeah man, give it some more flavor, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Okay, we're adding the saltfish and incorporate all of the flavor we just fry up a while ago. Yeah man, stir it in. Yeah man, last but not least, add in the butter bean. Yeah man, stir it in, nice and decent. Looking beautiful. Yeah man, the aroma people, trust me, beautiful. Look at that, people. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Beautiful. Delicious. Yeah, man. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. Well done. Yeah, man. Who want a plate? Yeah, man. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. You know what I mean? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, man.